So, I just went to Walmart, got all the things that I need for the little surprise. I cleaned up. Now I just got to take a shower. Now wash my hair. I'm gonna do my makeup. Then I'm gonna start cooking dinner. I have about an hour and a half to do all this stuff.
1 hour later.
Okay, so for dinner tonight, I'm gonna be making an Indian dish. I don't think I've ever purposely made an Indian dish before. I've accidentally done it because I like to do this thing with like lentils and like other stuff. And apparently, from what Vikas told me, it is a type of Indian dish. I don't remember the name of that one. But anyway, this one I'm making has red kidney beans in it and some other spices and some vegetables. It's called Rajma masala. I'm gonna be making that. It seemed pretty easy, so that's why I kind of chose to do it. There's some spices I don't really have and I couldn't find at Walmart. Hopefully it tastes okay. So I'm gonna start prepping that now. So here I got a chop of an onion, I got a chop of a tomato. I'm gonna put some lime juice in there. We got some kidney beans, we got all the spices, oil, and then this is where we're cooking it. This is hotel living, and this is for later. This is some wine. Let's get started. I'm not a very good cook, so don't judge my cooking, cutting, prepping skills. I really hope the fire alarm does not go off in here because that'd be very embarrassing. Let me tell you what. So now I just added the rest of the kidney beans and the spices, and now I'm going to put the lid on and pressure cook it on the little, it's a bean chili setting, and then wait for it to be ready. I had to do it quick because honestly I was getting very nervous. It was like starting to smoke because I was sauteing everything, and I have a irrational fear that the fire alarm right there is going to go off and then everyone's going to have to evacuate the building because I was just trying to cook something. I almost forgot to add the water. So he is bringing his cat. Tubby's gonna have a little cat friend. I'm so excited. So I got Smokey, that's his cat. Just some little toys. Tubby loves these little spirally things in here. That's another reason I got this, because I know they'll both be playing with it. Look at her. She's like, what is that? Tubby, you'll get to play with this as well. And then also, I don't know, I found these. They seem like yummy little treats. Some type of tuna broth thingy. For myself, I got me some SpongeBob Halloween socks. This one you can't see it yet, but it says trick or treat yourself. All right, I'm about to put on my socks. Should be coming in at like any moment. I don't know when, but we bought a Roku so we can watch Netflix. Last time I checked in, he was like an hour away, which was literally like an hour ago. I told him to go to the front to get some toilet paper because we needed some toilet paper, and honestly I was just trying to buy myself more time. Okay, I'm back. I got Netflix up. I don't know what kind of movie is on. That's like a good, I like romantic comedies. I feel like that'd be perfect for right now. I don't know why I'm asking, like you can't answer me right now. That's like Dora the Explorer stuff where you like, you know, she's like asking like, where's the map? And then she pauses for like a hot 10 seconds for you to answer. Like she can hear you, but she can't. That's still a cool show though. One of my favorites. There's so many crime shows on Netflix. I love it though, but not for this moment. Yo, the food's gonna be like done by the time he walks in. That's gonna be like perfect timing. I hope he's like coming in and not expecting me to go out there. Dang it, he doesn't have his freaking keys. I have to go out there and get out. Okay, so I'm literally gonna go out in my socks. Straight.
Yeah.
Keep going straight.
Okay.
Okay, hold on. Can you put Smokey down for a second?
Yeah.
Okay, don't look. Keep your eyes closed.
Okay.
Okay, you can open them.
Wait, what's the surprise? It smells good. I don't know what it is, but it smells really nice.
Okay, moment of truth. Oh, it's still stuck. I gotta squeeze the lime in there.
I guess.
Oh, wait. I can't do this one time.
So good.
Oh, now I gotta put
Babe, you did not know.
Hey, you don't know.
No.
You gotta put cilantro in there.
Babe.
Oh no, wait, I gotta wash my hands.
Oh God.
What do you think it is?
There's no way it is. You made rajma?
Maybe.
Wow.
Whee!
Babe. So good.
Well, you don't know if it's good yet.
I mean, it smells good, so it will taste good.
I hope so.
You're so good. I mean, that's a really good surprise. Like, this is one of my favorite thing to eat.
Really?
I like rajma.
I remember you talked about it. Hopefully it tastes as good as it smells.
I'm gonna tell all my friends that you made rajma for me.
That look about right? Is that like...
Yeah.
Okay.
Looks really good. The texture.
Why am I so weak? Got it. I love the sound it makes. Boop, 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 boop.
I wasn't expecting this, to be honest. Like, he'll cook an Indian dish for me.
Oh gosh, hon, is it hot? Let me like put my tongue on it. Good.
Tastes good.
Mhm.
I love kidney beans.
Is it kind of what it tastes like?
Mm,
I know I'm missing some spices, but.
not exactly,
Oh.
but it is really similar, I would say.
Okay. Okay. It is my first time, so
I really loved it.
I was lacking some spices.
I can finish the whole thing right now.
No. Well, go ahead. We do got some ice cream later. Another surprise.
What is it?
I was gonna get you cupcakes from that cupcake place, but instead I just got you ice cream.
Yeah.
Okay, bye. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Look at his socks. Scaredy pants. And mine says, can you say that? It says trick or treat yourself. Oh, some chili flakes got my throat.
What is she doing?
She's just rubbing. I think she's just putting her scent on the...
Yeah.
No.
Oh, there's catnip there. Right?
Oh, yeah, it may have fallen off. Yeah.
She does like that whenever there's catnip.
Look at